viewers, and welcome to Creative Moments by G. I'm Georgia and so happy you could join us today. Guess what time it is? It's paper pumpkin time. My sister and I just received our December 2020 paper pumpkin and we got busy making some cards for you to look at. I want to dedicate this video to my husband and I will get into that at the end of the video. So let's head down to the crafting table and let's get started. Okay, first I want to show you these cute little bears that you get. Oh my goodness, you get this cute bear, plus you get all these pop-out bears and koala bears and an adorable raccoon. You get some flowers, some sentiments, and some leaves, and we're going to show you how we used all these things to create cute cards. What I also like about this set is, of course, you get these envelopes, right? Now what we did is we took apart some of these envelopes so that we could use this wonderful paper, and it really turns out cute. I also want to discuss with you, we used a few more sentiments from this mini messages set that actually it's one set, you stamp it and then you cut it out all together and it makes some beautiful sentiments. We also used a few sentiments from this one, Enjoy the Moment. And here's a card. We love this happy birthday. Here we have this beautiful card. Now look at what we did. We used the pop-out animals, put them on the side, and then cut around them, right? It's a top fold card. Look at our little koala bear. We added him and then added those pop-out flowers, right? So cute. Now we ran this through an embossing machine just to give it that added texture. We really like this one. Oh, so cute. We just love those little animals. Now look at this one. We decided just to do a top fold, another top fold, but we cut it halfway off. We added some circles. We added our little cutie raccoon. Is he not cute? We used the stamps from the set. And you can just write your message right there. We really like this one. This one turned out so nice. Now, remember I told you about the envelope. We cut apart our envelope and used this paper to create that added dimension on this card. Our next one, we actually created some background stamps. Now, we used that leaf I told you about. We cut our 4 squares. We used our flowers in the colors that they recommend, the rich razzleberry and the calypso coral. So pretty. We cut out our circles again, just used your punch. We used their stamp and just put You Were on My Mind. Simple, yet really pretty, we thought. I'm gonna add that one right here. Oh, now look at this little raccoon. He's peeking out. We kind of have our envelope style. We use their little mat right there to stamp happy birthday. We have him peeking out. And then we just did some double matting on the inside. We think that always looks so pretty. Once again, using their card that they gave us and just adding some rich razzleberry. Now, you have seen us on our videos use our crimping machine. We crimped that rich razzleberry, added some gold on the side, cut apart our little koala bears, and we just added that to the card they gave us. What do you think about that? Are they not cute? Those little koala bears are so cute, and you'll see another card where we left them together. Next, we took a card, we took out one of the pop-out bears, and we added the flower. Look, he's holding it because his little hand comes up. And we just made a half card. Now you might say, well, there's no place to write your sentiment. Sure there is. You can write it right here, and you can also turn it and write your sentiment here. We really like this style of card. Next, we used their card and we just cut a little bit off. We used our crimper again to crimp our circle that we punched out. We added our little guy, just a little note, and there you have just a simple card, but is he not cute? So cute. Now we decided to emboss on this one. So we took some black and we just embossed with our bear stamp. We added the cupcake underneath his arm and the flowers up here with a little sentiment. And this is from that punch set, the die set that I told you about, that it stamps all these wonderful sentiments and die cuts them all at once. We think the embossing looks so pretty on that Calypso coral though, don't you think? Next, we decided to do a happy anniversary card. Look at those hearts. They also come with the kit. Once again, we punched out our circles. We made a beautiful tag using the cards, added a little contrast. We embossed this back part of the tag. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. And then we just matted the inside to match the front. But we really like those hearts. They came out so pretty. Now on this one, we simply added some dimension by cutting out strips of paper. We embossed the gold. This is simply the card that they gave us on top of the other card. We added those punched out circles, and look at that. You open it up, surprise, happy birthday. Our little koala's holding a present. Now look at this one. This is, we thought, pretty creative for us, right? We took the card, one of the little squares, and we cut out those leaves and just centered our little bear. I stamped our little bear and we colored him using our markers. And we used the card again that they gave us, put it on cinnamon cardstock. So cute. And that's just a landscape card. Now we have this one. We decided to use our crimper again. Look at those two little guys. We left them together and we put the heart right in the middle. And on the inside we simply stamped our little flowers and added our sentiment. Now this one we decided to punch out the circle and have our little guy just peeking through. So here he is. We used their card. We used another punch to punch out the outer circle just to give it some more dimension. And you open it up. Happy birthday. And finally, look what we did to this guy. This was one of the cutouts. We simply put Nouveau on top of him to give him that glistening look. Oh my goodness, it looks like glass, doesn't it? And then we punched out this beautiful background, and once again we cut out those leaves, added a sentiment, used the card that they gave us, and then we added a sentiment here and we used those leaves as accent marks. Well, did you like the cards? My sister and I worked really hard. We certainly hope that you like them. Remember, I was going to tell you a little bit about my husband. I lost my husband just recently of 38 years. We had a fairy tale marriage, and so this is a very difficult time for us, and it was a very difficult video to make. It was our first since October. So we hope that you remember us in your prayers. We are certainly praying for everyone, and we are hoping for a new and wonderful 2021. So as you go out, please remember to be safe, be healthy, and stay blessed. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.